Hello and welcome to LenCo Recommendations video on top 5 best 3D printers of 2023. We have done extensive research and analysis to bring you the top 5 best 3D printers of 2023 that you don't want to miss. You can find the links to each product in the description below. So without further ado, let's dive right in and see what these 3D printers can do. Number 5. Creality Ender 5S1. The Ender 5S1 is an upgraded version of the Ender 5, with a number of improvements such as an all-metal hot end, a direct drive extruder, a reinforced frame, and an auto-leveling sensor. It also has a large build volume of 220 by 220 by 280 mm and a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second. The Ender 5S1 can print with various filaments, including high-temperature ones like ABS and PC. It has a smooth and stable motion system that produces accurate and consistent results. It also has a powerful cooling system that reduces warping and improves overhangs. However, the Ender 5S1 is not perfect. It has some drawbacks that you should be aware of before buying it. For example, the nozzle is longer than the standard 8 Malawian Quachas nozzle, and you need to buy the correct one for this printer. The print surface is easily damaged and needs to be replaced often. The leveling instructions are wrong in the manual and you need to adjust them manually. Overall, we think the Ender 5S1 is a great 3D printer for anyone who wants speed and precision. It has some premium features that make it stand out from other printers in its range. Number 4. AnkerMake M5. The AnkerMake M5 can print up to 500 mm per second and accelerate up to 5000 mm/s superscript 2 with the fast mode upgrade. It also has a dual CPU system, a built-in AI camera, a free app, a flexible PEI-coated steel plate, an auto bed leveling feature, and a direct drive extruder. It also has an RGB light strip that changes colors. The main selling point of this printer is its speed. The AnkerMake M5 can print up to 500 mm per second and accelerate up to 5000 mm/s superscript 2 with the new fast mode upgrade. This means you can print faster without sacrificing print quality. However, the printer is not perfect. It is noisy, especially when printing at high speeds. It does not have SD card slots, the AI camera is not reliable, it sometimes fails to detect print failures or sends false alarms. And it only works with the native slicer. It also uses proprietary nozzles that are not compatible with other brands. So, is the AnkerMake M5 worth buying? It depends on what you value in a 3D printer. If you want speed and convenience, then this printer might be for you. Number 3. Bambu Lab P1P. The P1P is a Core XY printer that can print at speeds up to 500 mm per second and accelerations up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2. That means it can print faster than most consumer printers on the market. It also has a direct drive extruder that can handle flexible filaments and an all-metal hot end that can reach temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The P1P has a build volume of 256 by 256 by 256 mm and a heated bed with a PEI-coated spring steel sheet. It has an automatic bed leveling sensor that makes the first layer perfect every time. It also has a self-cleaning tool head that wipes the nozzle before each print. The P1P is compatible with Bambu Lab's AMS, an automatic material system that enables multicolor printing. You can also upgrade the P1P with a chamber camera and LED light to monitor your prints remotely. The P1P comes with Bambu Studio, a slicing software that has presets for different materials and print qualities. The P1P is not without flaws, though. It has a minimalist design that may look unfinished to some. It has no touch screen, no filament runout sensor, and no enclosure. It is also noisy and uses proprietary parts that may be hard to replace. Overall, the P1P is a great printer for those who value speed, accuracy, and customization. It is not for beginners or those who want a plug-and-play experience. It is for makers who like to tinker and upgrade their machines. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra Max. The Anycubic Cobra Max is a large format FDM printer with a build volume of 400 by 400 by 450 millimeters. That means you can print things like cosplay helmets, props, sculptures and more without having to split them into smaller parts. The printer has a volcano-style hot end that can handle various materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, and TPU. It also has a coated glass bed that releases the prints when it cools down, making it easy to remove them without damaging them. One of the best features of this printer is the auto leveling system that uses a probe to measure the distance between the nozzle and the bed. This ensures that the first layer is always perfect and eliminates the need for manual adjustments. The printer also has a color touchscreen interface that lets you control the settings and monitor the progress of your prints. It also has a filament runout sensor that pauses the print if you run out of material. The Anycubic Cobra Max is not without its flaws, though. The large glass bed takes a long time to heat up. The PTFE-lined hot end may also degrade over time and affect the print quality. The printer also has a massive footprint that requires a lot of space to operate. Overall, the Anycubic Cobra Max is an impressive printer that offers a lot of convenience and quality for large-scale printing. It is ideal for cosplayers, prop makers, and small businesses who want to maximize their production output. Number 1. Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. The MK3S Plus is an incremental upgrade to the MK3S, with sturdier parts and an improved print bed leveling system. It has a build volume of 9.8 by 8.3 by 8.3 inches, which is decent but not very large for this price range. It has an open frame design, which means it's easy to access and maintain, but it also means it's not very good for printing with ABS or other materials that are sensitive to temperature changes. The MK3S Plus comes with a simple LCD interface, a control knob, and an SD card slot. It also comes with Prusa Slicer, a powerful and user-friendly slicing software that lets you customize your prints with ease. The MK3S Plus supports multiple filament types and includes a 1 kg PLA spool, which is a nice bonus. The MK3S Plus consistently produces high-quality prints with no misprints in testing. It can print at resolutions up to 50 microns, which is very impressive. The prints are smooth, detailed, and accurate. The MK3S Plus can handle complex models and overhangs without any problems. The MK3S Plus comes with a professionally printed user guide and great support resources from Prusa Research. In conclusion, the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is an excellent 3D printer that delivers consistent and high-quality prints. It's easy to use, reliable, and versatile. It may not have the largest build volume or the most enclosed design, but it makes up for it with its performance and features. If you're looking for a 3D printer that can handle any project you throw at it, the MK3S Plus is a great choice. That's all for our video on the 5 best 3D printers of 2023. We hope you learned something new and enjoyed watching it. If you did, please show us some love by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends. And make sure you subscribe to LenCo Recommendations channel for more awesome videos like this one. We have a lot of great and useful content coming your way, so don't miss out. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.